Welcome back to I'll Learn. Today we're going to work on subtracting fractions. We can see here in our example that we're starting off with 3/4 and we'll be subtracting 2/4 from it. We can see here that you can take away 2 of the fourths and you are left with 1/4 remaining. When you subtract fractions, you subtract the numerators and keep your denominator. But what if our denominators aren't the same? Here we have 3/4 minus 2/8. I need to make an equivalent equation that has both denominators the same number. Now in this case, these are related denominators. I can make one turn into the other. I can make the fourths become eighths by multiplying by 2. When I do that to my numerator as well, I get the equivalent equation 6/8 minus 2/8. I can subtract my numerators and keep my denominator and see that my total is 4/8. Let's try another problem. 5/7 minus 2/3. I can see that these denominators are not the same, and I also notice that they're not related. I can't make the 3 into a 7. In this case, you could use the 4-quadrant method that we talked about in our addition video. However, if you're able to keep track of your work in your head and keep things more organized on your own, you can find common denominators by listing the multiples. First of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28. I can see here I don't have a number in common yet, so I'll extend my list of multiples for 3 until I see the 21. This tells me that I need to make my new numerators 21 in my equivalent equation. I can do that by multiplying the 7 by 3 and the 3 by 7. Whatever I do in my denominator, I also have to do in my numerators, which gives me a new equivalent equation of 15/21 minus 14/21 for a total of 1/21. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. Here's a quick summary of what we covered today. You can find today's note page in the Teachers Pay Teachers link in the description for free, or you can find all of our fractions notes in a bundle through the link found below as well. If you found this video useful, please help others find it by hitting that like button. As always, thank you so much for watching.